and welcome back to the channel. I hope you've been well, I hope you're having a great day, and today I wanted to tell you that I'm here to show you how to do a barbell back row. Now, this is a video that I made in a series of workout videos from a gym I work in called Inside Out Health Club, and that's why there's two of us working together. And if it sounds like it's part of a wider workout, then that is why. But the workout instruction still stands on its own 2 feet, and I wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here. And that video, the barbell back row, is coming up right now. Barbell row. It's a lovely back exercise. It's a compound movement, and we're going to talk you right through it. And again, the lovely Paige is going to show us how to do that. And we're going to address the bar. So stand next to the bar for me, Paige. Excellent. Now we're going to do an overhand grip in this exercise. So grab the bar with your hands, lift it up, and then take a little step back away from the rack. Excellent. Now I'm going to ask Paige to hinge back in her hips. Excellent. Good. Out too far. I think that's a bit too far. Come up a little bit. Excellent. And keep the bar close to the body. And now you're going to pull with the elbows. Excellent, like so. And I want you to squeeze between the shoulder blades. Imagine you've got an apple between your shoulder blades and you're trying to squeeze that. And then bring it back down. Sorry, you held that for a really long time. Sorry, Paige. Now just do a normal rep for me so we can see the actual pace. Excellent, good. This will very much challenge your core, and we're trying to target these latissimus dorsi muscles, these big fan muscles on the lower back. Lovely. And then just put it back for me. Stand up nice and straight. Put it back. Now it's a hinge movement, which means that you're going to send the hips back, and then you're going to keep your chest presented nice and forward towards the floor or at a kind of 45-degree angle. Another trick I like giving with this is, one, pull with your elbows, but also try and send your elbows past your hips as opposed to up past the rib cage, because we're trying to avoid internal rotation in the shoulder.
Correct. On that note, you can do a variation. Underhand grip. Okay, again, it puts you in a more open posture, whereas here we internally rotate it, so we externally rotate here. And as Adam said, avoid doing a bicep curl and lead back with the elbows. Okay.
And that's the barbell row. Pretty straightforward exercise. It's one of my favorite ones to do, actually. I really enjoy it. And yeah, it's going to be fun. You're going to feel it.
Cool.
What's next?
I'm not sure.
Me neither!